आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम मेकिंग वन मोर वीडियो और आज का वीडियो बहुत ही दिनों के बाद मैं बना रहा हूँ। तो दिस वीडियो मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होगा क्योंकि इन जनरल मैं रेगुलर वीडियोस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था बीच में, बट ड्यू टू सम सिचुएशन और समथिंग मैं रेगुलर वीडियो नहीं बना पाया। नाउ आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर यू गाइज। आप सब्र रखिए, मैं एक के बाद एक आपको सारे एक्सक्यूजेस समझाऊंगा। नाउ कमिंग टू टुडेज टॉपिक, आप लोगों को तो पता चल ही गया होगा बाय वाचिंग द थंबनेल एंड द टाइटल ऑफ द वीडियो बेसिकली। सो आज का वीडियो इज अबाउट why Tanmay Bhatt is one of my favorite YouTubers. I've been following Tanmay Bhatt since 2015, but people who don't know, Tanmay Bhatt and Gurusimran Khamba started AIB on 2013. So 2013 to coming back to today 2020 is a huge duration, and that time they used to do, जितना मेरे को याद है, these online stand-up podcast sort of a thing, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा funny होता था. And that time stand-up was something new to India, so people were showing interest on those things, and eventually people liked those as well. So my initial stages where I started watching AIB was on air with AIB, जो star में आता था most probably, I don't remember. So all on air with AIB completely changed my perspective of sarcasm and all things. So from there my interaction with Tanmay Bhatt started. Now next thing that most of the people who don't know is co-founder Rohan and Ashish came to AIB when I did not know them, to be honest, being very candid and not telling something which is not true. रोहन और आशीष आकिया को पर्सनली आई डोंट रिमेंबर, मैं उनको ठीक से जानता नहीं था. आई ओनली रिमेंबर तन्मय भट्ट एंड गुरसिमरन खंबा, एंड गुरसिमरन खंबा आई लाइक्ड हिम सो मच. I don't know why, but yes, I liked him a lot. Next thing that connected to me was AIB's Honest series, whether it be Honest Wedding and Honest Engineering placements and all. So वो चीज़ मेरे को बहुत ही ज़्यादा कनेक्ट किया. And then came AIB का Rewind that connected next. So after that, अचानक से one day my father opens a news channel. I won't name the news channel obviously due to some reason, and after that when he opened the news channel, I saw something and that completely changed my mind. I saw him using some sort of a Snapchat filter, and he was like making something using Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar's face, and that created a huge controversy. Tanmay Bhatt का जो करियर का ग्राफ था, it never came down, it only went up. So that is one thing that completely inspires me a lot. Tanmay Bhatt inspiration wise अगर देखूँ तो he's a big inspiration to me, to be honest, because right now he's not only creating content but simultaneously he's giving education with the failures that he or someone like him has faced ever in his life. So that is one thing that has it has gently went into the years, and it gave a massive change in me. So next thing was like Tanmay Bhatt's career was at peak. He was growing exponentially. AIB was growing exponentially, and after that on 2018 there was a huge thing during the Me Too movement with Utsav Chakrabarti and all stuff. I won't talk about the controversy because that is one of those things that personally hurts me a lot. Or I don't know what would have been at that time, because see, I am no one from AIB, but still I connect to AIB a lot. और मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई तन्मय भट्ट तो मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ. This is all due to mine and his interaction through the digital media. I've never seen him, trust me, but the day I see him, I'll give him a big hug, obviously. And now after 2019, I did not see him for more than 6 months. I think from May to November I did not see him on any social media. I just saw his last video about him going through the depression on his Instagram. At that very moment, I unfollowed AIB, I unfollowed Gusimran Khamba and Tanmay Bhatt. I don't know why, but I did unfollow them. So fast track to November 2019. Suddenly I start searching on YouTube random videos, and I see a person online live streaming on a channel and playing PUBG. At that very moment, I was getting the exact feeling that I got in 2015 for the first time when I saw AIB's video, and it was Tanmay Bhatt. The way he was talking to the audience on a live stream was exceptionally well, and I feel, being a content creator myself, I feel that connection with the audience is very few people can gain that part of content creation, or that part of connect to the audience in such a less time. And okay, one more thing that needs to be mentioned. Now people who don't know only know Tanmay Bhatt as a stand-up comedian, and people who don't know him, he is a big writer as well. Not only writer, he has written like more than 7-8 big like proper shows, starting from Filmfare to Suit Life of Karan and Kabir to Hustle India, and then I don't remember many of them. Also, did I mention Filmfare? He has wrote one Filmfare also. He used to write mostly about MTV's show, so MTV was the thing. And like after 2019 November, when he came back to YouTube, the things changed vigorously. I started to connect him. Now he being consistent every day, he used to live stream, then he started vlogging, and then he started doing podcasts on his another channel with Honestly by Tanmay Bhatt, and that completely changed the whole perspective of content creation. Now personally, I am telling you why I connect to Tanmay Bhatt the most, because his connect to the audience is the most. I am telling you, he is the candid. I feel that he is the candid person in front of the camera, as well as he has that every capability or every point that a content creator needs to have, and he is consistent in every genre, starting from vlogging to live streaming to gaming to everything. And through this process, I've never seen Tanmay Bhatt playing. I know him, he used to play FIFA during his AIB times, because I watched his podcast. So this is why Tanmay Bhatt is like one of my favorite YouTubers. I think you have got the point. Like, to be honest, I connect to him a lot, and I feel creating content and having a break for as of 6 months, and then again coming back and suddenly growing exponentially is a big deal for any content creator. Because when he stopped and when he started, I think there was a gap. There was a certain gap in the whole digital media industry, and I'm so proud of him. Like, जिस दिन भी तन्मय भैया मैं आपसे मिलूँगा, one thing I would try to do is I'll give a hug. Thank you for changing my life. You are a true inspiration, and to be honest, मैं नहीं बोल सकता. Everything cannot be expressed. Some things are like this only. But one thing, thank you for giving this second time what I have felt in 2015. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm trying to make daily videos this week के लिए. Let's see what happens. 7 day 7 videos challenge करने की कोशिश करूँगा मैं, and I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and meet you in the next video. Bye.